Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, September 14th, and this is my full top-down analysis for gold. And we are on the monthly time frame, working our way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for our full top-down analysis. So, anyways, on gold, I still think the higher time frames are so clear on gold. Now, no matter what I say, just keep in mind that gold is basically a never-ending uptrend. I mean, it's just kind of like the, stock market. It just basically, yeah, there's pullbacks, but it's basically a never-ending uptrend. And the reason why I wanted to point that out is because no matter what you think of the sort of time phase, there's a chance this thing just goes up and maybe pulls back and just keeps on going up. But anyways, I still think this is a one. I still think this is an ABC of two. I think that most likely this is a wave five. So one, two, three, four, five of wave three. If it is a five of wave three, then we could potentially get a pretty big pullback, and maybe even all the way back down to the $3,000 an ounce area to make a wave four, which would be similar in size and time to this wave two, and then eventually go back up for a wave five. But like I said, just keep in mind, no matter what, gold is in a never-ending uptrend, and it could just keep on trending all it wants. Going down to the weekly time frame, I mean, this is all the wave three trend right here. So this is a one of three, two of three, three of three. This is a very odd little crescent right here in the middle, and most likely what ended up happening here is it's like a running wave four of three, and now we're probably in the wave five of wave three right now. So there is a possibility we are somewhat close to a bigger turn. Going down to the daily time frame, like I said, this is a very odd pullback right here. Most likely what happened is it's one, two, three waves down for three, one, two, three waves up for another three, and then one, two, three waves down. It's a triple three pattern, so it's like a WXY, but the wave Y made a higher low than the wave X. That's why I would call it a running WXY pattern. Then we have impulsive up wave one, we have corrective down wave two, and this is almost definitely a wave three. We could be starting a wave four, which would probably look something like that, and then eventually back up for a wave five. So definitely no reason to say this uptrend is over. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, I gotta zoom out just a little bit because this is what I call the wave one. This is a wave two right here. Now, if I take out my little cursor and put it on here, you can see this wave two lasted roughly 12 calendar days. So roughly 12 calendar days. If we really are in a wave four, then we would expect it to last roughly the same amount of time. So that potentially would put us all the way out until, towards the end of the month. Maybe September 22nd to maybe September 24th. So just keep in mind that, wave twos and wave fours had to have some symmetry to them. So if we really are at a wave four, I would expect to see a very corrective, very overlapping pattern lasting probably till about the end of the month for a wave four, and then potentially back up for a wave five. So, anyways, down on the 1 hour time frame, I mean, I still have a hard time recommending shorts. This could literally just be an ABC crescent, and this could literally just keep on going up. That's why with gold, I try to really emphasize how important it is that you understand that every single time frame is in an uptrend. The monthly is up, the daily is up, the 4 hour is up, the weekly is up. The 4 hour, like I said, is up. Even the 1 hour time frame is up. When every single time frame is in an uptrend and you go down to these sort of time frames and start saying, oh, this is going to make a big pullback, that's normally the formula that causes you to most likely lose a lot of money in the markets. As always, the trend is your friend. And don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.